bird on a tree. I'm just sitting here. I got time. It's clear to see from up here. The world seems small.
Right, the next one I'm going to do is a completely enclosed pyramid. I haven't actually used this one, but I wanted to try it and see how easy it is to do and see what it's like, so I might use it on one of the next wild camps. I'll go through it. For this one it's 3 pegs, okay? So we start from the back 2 corners before we move over to the front. Come back to the front, on the middle peg, put the mark there, and then bring the 2 ends right into the centre. So pull them taut wherever they come. Peg in. And then it's a case taking your pole again. Going in. There it is, easy as that. Now that's actually pretty cool. Now, as you can see here, we've got a lot of excess material here. So if you're not inside the tent, you're going out, you can just pin it down, and that's an extra point, just to tidy it all up. Okay, so I'm inside the pyramid. I shall lay down. Only downside is this pole is quite in the way, but look, loads of room for a bag. My head is back. See? Plenty of space in this one. I'm going to use this one, definitely. Also, the tying off points you can do from inside as well. So if it is extra windy, you can just chuck some extra pegs in there. Right, the next one I'm going to do, we is need a tree, or somewhere to tie it off, a branch coming off a tree, the plough point. So you literally just need to tie it off, and minimum of 3 pegs just to hold it all in place. But we'll go through it. So this varies on how much headroom you want. I usually like it quite high, so you can have the fire in front of it. I'm going for just over my head height. Okay. So on the opposite corner, I don't know if I was in shot there or not. You can see pegged out the far corner. So next, the closest corner. Peg that down, nice and taut. and then the one over the far side. Now, as you can see, loads of room underneath that. It's so windy today, I chose the worst day to do this. Now that is a really spacious little setup. So you've got all this room here, you can sit and have a fire there. Obviously 3 pegs is the minimum, but you've got another 1, 2, 3, 6 pegs that you could put in to firm that up. So that is a massive, massive shelter. You could probably fit 3 people in that. You could also get the tent peg, not the tent peg, sorry, the walking pole, and just attach that on the inside. So there, I've just put that walking pole there, just opens it up completely. Gives a little bit of a draft in, but you could peg those down and just readjust it. And that's it from the outside. Pretty cool. Really quick to set up as well. As you can see, it's by far, I can nearly stand up in here, by far the most spacious one that we've done today. All this room. Right back in here, 1, 2, all the way back there. Only problem is there's no ground sheet, which has been similar for the rest of them. We will show you a variation on this that you can do to put ground sheet on it. It's not much of one, but you keep your bag off the ground. So for the ground sheet variation, I'm going to take the pole out slightly. And take the back rung out. We just go in. One in from that to there. As you can see, it greatly reduces the size of it, but you get a little bit of a ground sheet. So there it is, still the same setup, but now you've got your own ground sheet, which is plenty big enough for me to lay on. So the plough, modified plough, not bad at all, nice and easy, nice and sheltered. Okay, this last one I'm going to do for you today is more of a stealth kind of shelter. It requires 2 poles. I've set them up at about waist height for me, so I can just about sit in it if I need to. It's really good, this one. It's got a ground sheet and it's very low profile for sort of stealth camping or just somewhere you can't be seen and just want to get away. I'll show you how it goes. Right, so we start off at the back, and what we want to do is find the halfway point, which is that middle tab there. Tap this button. What you want to do is put that down and go to the opposite end, pull this excess under, find the opposing tab, just put that in. It doesn't matter about the looseness of it at the moment because we'll sort it all up in a bit. And then the same the other side. Slip all the excess under. Okay, so now we're back at the front. We get one walking pole. And all I tend to do is wrap it around the line a few times and then tension it, bringing the guy line down and fixing it in front of the tarp. Okay, then you do the same on the other side. By the way, sorry, forgot to mention, not the middle ring pull, the second one out. So the same again here. Round a few times. Make sure it's nice and taut. So then we just need to put down the sides a bit, close it up. Bring the ground sheet under. And there's a pretty decent low profile tarp, sort of tent. I suppose it's a sort of lean-to with a ground sheet, you could describe it as. But you could also adjust these, so if you want a bit more headroom, obviously lift it up a bit higher. But plenty of room in there, I'll get to show you. So this is a pretty decent low-profile shelter that I've done with putting it up another foot or so, just to get a bit more head height. But if the weather's alright, then there's no need. But loads of space in here again. Plenty of room. Also got the option of raising that back just with a stick with a sock on or a hat, or even another walking pole. But that, for how long it took again, it's pretty good. So tarps, very versatile. So many more you can do with them. I'll probably do another series at some point, doing a few more experiments and film them and get them uploaded. But these are the ones that I use, apart from the pyramid one, which I haven't yet used. These are all my favourite setups. Nice and easy, quick, lightweight, don't need a tent, no poles, all good. So just walk you around the A-frame or lean-to with hiking poles. Obviously you can stake it out more where needed, but that is nice and low profile. Great little shelter. Guys, we're in focus. Thanks again for watching my video. If you like what you see, like and subscribe. If you could hit the little bell notification as well, that lets you know every time I'm putting a new video out. I hope to keep content coming with some more tarp shelters, because I quite enjoyed doing this. A little bit rushed, looks like it's going to rain any minute, so I'm going to get packed away and get home, help tidy the house. We've got people coming this weekend, so get that sorted, and then I'll be uploading some videos. Also got the Cambridge Folk Festival this weekend, so I'm going to be downloading a little bit of footage from that, which should be good. Anyway, thanks again guys, catch you later.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see from up here.